Hey guys, ça qu'a fait, c'est amis nous Marie qui retourne aujourd'hui pour l'autre vidéo. Nous pour aller dans Strawberry Festival. Strawberry Festival, mes jeunes gens, mes amis Jennifer, say hi friend. Hey! Mesdames, messieurs, dames, il y a marché même. M'a mené nous avec moi. Est-ce que nous avons cheveux moi? Dis-moi, est-ce que nous avons cheveux naturels donc cœur? Est-ce que nous avons oublié pour nous donner un thumbs up, subscribe, abonner, partager, mettez post notification on. Chaque fois poster pour YouTube quand notifier nous. So nous pour aller n'a pour aller nous vivre en dedans, bah il passe moins parce que nous on fait chaud. So on va aller. Let's go! So tu fais photo, belle petite photo.
A burger and we all got cheesesteak.
Nous pour aller dans Candyland, côté qui gagne pile surette.
The one that's drawing right now is Mama. The one next to her is Maggie. The one below her is Hermes, and the one next to Hermes is me. Because they finished mine. It looked beautiful. Beautiful. You could tell it. See? Look at that. You could tell you can't tell the difference between Maggie and the picture Maggie. You can't. They look the same. Beautiful. It's so beautiful. Okay. It's so beautiful.
Okay.
I love it. Okay. Oh man, this looks so cool. This actually looks so cool. I'm gonna show you guys so like you Get that away.
I can see him coloring it in. It looks nice.
Hey, no peeking.
He's coloring at me?
I know that he's coloring at me.
Everyone.
I look beautiful.
Yeah.
Now he's coloring you. Now he's coloring you. He's coloring this guy now.
This guy. Is that your brother or cousin or something?
My brother.
All siblings.
You're all siblings.
Yeah.
Nice kids you have.
Thank you.
Oh man, this looks so beautiful. No, actually it does.
50 cents.
Because you do have some. You do have like a tiny bag.
We all got big.
You like his teeth because you know how he has a little gap in his teeth. You too, Chad. He looks like. This is what you look like. Oh my god.
Now he's drawing Maggie.
Oh, your teeth is like this with the top of your teeth and then your lips right there. Chad also has buck teeth.
Yeah, we
you
all
both
got big
have
lips.
buck teeth. I don't. Your mom looks so big.
Okay, now I'm coloring our mama.
I think they're only because now you can see it's cleared out more. There's not a lot of people. This area.
There's not as many people in the stop. Good job.
You don't mind changing the studio the way?
Is being no wait. This girl is being colored in right now. She's being colored in right there. That's her mom.
You saw that?
That's Harness. And that's me. Wow, so beautiful. 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 Beautiful.
You guys had a good day.
We're so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay.
All of you doing color or black and white?
Ooh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so he's coloring in our hairs now. The cool thing is that Maggie has some orange hair in the back, but you can't see it.
Do you have a YouTube channel or something?
Yeah,
Do you really?
yeah.
Yup.
Yeah? You sure everybody?
Maggie has hair.
We'll get ready.
The cool thing is, see, look, you can't tell the difference. Black hair, orange hair. See? Look at that. Black and orange.
Mine looks so funny but cute.
Oh man, it does.
Oh, I love yours.
I know. Mom, you look beautiful.
I know, I just love it. Yo, he did the part.
Well, you have the orange on this side.
I know.
Okay.
And Mom, when you do full body, they give you like a funny like place to be like, see, this one they made them
It's just a final place. It's amazing.
Wait, which one's me? Dude, that one? How do you not tell by your This one's me, that's her mom, and that's me. It's really nice, I love it.
That was the best ever. That was the best drawing ever. He's putting our picture in now. You guys will see it inside the frame in 3, 5, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Hold on. Okay, the final glimpse.
People from Haiti, Dominican, I love their families. Good families.
This is our
Smart kids.
picture. This is our picture in the frame. I love it.
Say cheese, mama. Say cheese again. Cheese. Say cheese again, mama. Two.
Show masak tout fait moun. Come on guys, let's go. Uncle Chad. Oh, good. Chad, what were you going to do? Oh, say thank you. Thank you. I know, she's leaving. I know, that's right. The same woman last year when I was leaving, I did.
Oh yeah, you did.
That's right, yeah.
Cotton candy, cotton candy, cotton candy.
Uh-oh. You wanna eat it? You wanna eat it? You sassy? Say yes, I'm... So in there. You're gonna eat. Elia? Elia? Elia, come here. Elia, come here.
I'm eating.
Wait, but Mom.
Nous avons pile fun. C'est mon yo enjoy yo, moi enjoy moi même que il était fait chaud. Nous enjoy nous, bah attendre encore pour l'autre année si Dieu veut. I don't know.